Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to set up your timesheet in our online system, Timefiler. The Timefiler system can be used both as an app and as a website. Your username is your Apprentice number, and your password will be sent to you securely. First, let's take a look at the app. When you log into the app, you will see this screen. Select Timesheet and you will see the weeks for which your hours need to be entered. The status of your timesheet is shown here. This lets you know if you have submitted your timesheet to your site manager for approval. We recommend that you add your hours one day at a time and then submit at the end of the week. Clicking into the timesheet, you will see this screen. To enter your hours into the sheet, just click on the down arrow next to each day. This will show you the rostered hours for the day. Please ensure that rostered hours are accounted for. To add time, click Add. You can then enter the start and end times for your day. The app will automatically calculate your statutory breaks, so there is no need to do this yourself. Select the work type applicable. You can also add a comment for your host site manager here to explain your hours. An error message may appear if you select the wrong work type. It will not be possible for you to submit a timesheet whilst a red error message appears. At the bottom of the sheet, the total time worked will be visible. You should have worked all your rostered hours, so please ensure these are accounted for. The status section shows you the status of your timesheet. If you submitted it to your manager but they have rejected it, they can put a message here to let you know why. Once you have completed your timesheet and ensured all rostered hours are accounted for, click on Action, then Submit. You will then see the status has changed to Submitted. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Ka kite anō.